another day and another haul. Mall pickup from Foot Action, Foot Locker, Kids Foot Locker, and Champs. So I got lucky. So I have here the Air Jordan 1 Low Grade School University Gold. So stacking up and also on grade school. So I think this one is much more better for grade school. So some of the men's sizes I left them behind because got this one on Foot Action. That's why I'm also building the points right here. Next one, we have one pair from Foot Locker, and this one is the Air Jordan 1 Mid, another grade school. This one is the white gym red and black. Grade school, picking up more on grade school. So I saw this one also. I hope I might gonna find, maybe I'm gonna find more of this kind in men's sizes. Also, I might gonna pick them up because the colorway, nice one, kind of Chicago and band colorway as well. So gym red, nice pair. Moving on Kids Foot Locker. So they keep on restocking on this one. They had every week they keep on restocking, but I already got me a bunch of this on men's size because I pick up one on store. When I pick up on Finish Line, I pick up from 8 to 12. So I have to hold on to those men's sizes, but now I'm gonna pick up grade school, especially if I could find them in Foot Locker, Foot Action, or Champs, so that I could build the points. One thing more that I had to build the points, so it doesn't mean that I have to buy just Jordan alone. Pick up two pair of this one because they've been sitting also on this particular Kids Foot Locker and no one's buying them, and store are happy that I'm buying this pair because they want to let it go. So I got two pairs of this one, Nike Blazer Mid Grade School, black and white. Retail on this one is $80, and they're selling $39.99 in the store. And then I got a coupon, $10 coupon if you spend $50. So $39.99, then went down to $35, $34, something like that. So another good discount on this one. So that's how you build the points. Last one we got from Champs, Chicago Up Tempo. Boom, and this colorway is really nice. Last pair, this is the last pair they have, and I really want to have them. This one is 10 and a half. It is my size again, but then I already got me an Air Up Tempo. Got them for very cheap, which is very discounted when I got them on the store. But this is not just the same, but I got almost just the same. But for now, just want the profit because next couple weeks there's gonna be another Jordan, and I'm not gonna have one of those. Restock again of the Air Jordan 3 Retro. We have here the cool gray 3s. And here we go. So I already got me a pair of this, but I'm kind of holding on to them if I really wanted them for personal. And I really, just like what I said in the video, I'm digging on the colorway. So what do you think? Building all the points as well on this one because 190. Maybe I'm just gonna earning like $20-$25 returns, but hey, $20 to $25 return is not bad, not just a break even. So building your points, please get something, value your time. So two pairs on this one. Yes, that is all what we got for today's restock on Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, and Kids Foot Locker. So keeps on building the points, making all much of all for profit, not just break even. So that's for me. Value my time. You should do so. Alright, so with that said, what do you think on this pickup? You like this video? If you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up? Leave a comment down below. With that said, thank you again for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you on the next one. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.